Hello, I'm CG. This is a quick video to show how to convert vertex to circle in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use a plan, so we go to Add, Merge, and add the plan here. Close up to view the plan. Next, make sure that we select the plan and go to Edit Mode. I want to add more vertices to make a circle shape, so we can right-click on the plan and just subdivide. And then we can go to Subdivide panel and we can add number of cuts. I added to 3. So we can have more vertices. Next, we can make a selection for the vertex. Make sure that we select the vertex selection and then I use the select circle. Now we can click and drag to make a selection for the vertices. Next, we can go to Merge and Transform, and we can find to Sphere. Or we can use Shift-Alt-S to use Transform to Sphere. I click it, and then move the cursor. Next, we can click left mouse button to apply it. So this is how we can convert vertex to circle in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.